This concrete, as you said, is a man-made stone. When you mix this ingredient, it becomes like a stone. And we are now reaching to that level of stone. Earlier stone, we are saying, maybe knowing that strength maybe 1000 or 1500 kg per cm square. And today also we are able to achieve that with the reactive powder concrete. We are reached up to 200 MPa strength also. Though we are not using regularly this level of strength, but yes, we are able to do the concrete at that level also. So this is a concrete is a basically man-made stone, and you are aware that concrete is very simple subject. Once you understand it, it is just like your what you can say is your mathematics. Once one student knows about the mathematics, he likes mathematics very well. But you are not gone into the detail, they didn't like mathematics. So similarly, concrete is also similar once you understand. Because earlier philosophy was there, this concrete is taken care by the site people and not much involved by the engineers. Site supervisor there, the foreman was there, and experienced workers. They used to govern the concrete produced at site. So people are not much taken into consideration about concrete quality. So, but last 20 years, if you see, concrete has taken a very different approach, and the requirements have changed. Your raw materials have changed, and your application also has changed. We are turned from M15 to M20. Now we are regularly using M40, M50, M60, even M80 in Mumbai. So concrete has changed drastically. One major credit goes to the quality of the admixtures available today in the your country. As I said, concrete is a versatile material, but one unique thing is there that concrete always you have to make with the locally available materials. You cannot get concrete when you are making, preparing in Mumbai. I cannot get good concrete from Pune, Nashik area. I have to use only local materials, except cement and admixture. All other are only locally, and that is the your role of the engineer comes to use that locally material, understand the material, and make a concrete with desired level of strength and expected life of the structure. So it's very easy to molding any size, any shape, and it is also till today it is a very economical concrete for this site. You can say concrete is how much. Now you are saying admixture may be 100 rupees, 200 rupees a kg. If you say concrete is about 6,000, 10,000 rupees, and divided by its density, it comes around 4 rupees a kg. So you can imagine such a economic material is not yet, we are looking at the alternatives, but not yet available. And it is the second largest consumed material on the earth after water. So you must understand the gravity of the volume we are making in the concrete. In Mumbai itself, when their regular construction was going on, we are producing about 6 lakh cubic meter concrete per month. You can just imagine the volume we are handling for the concrete, because all the whatever structures you make, except some few steel structures, everywhere we are consuming your concrete because it is very economical for the project. And further economic is also possible once you understand the ingredients of your materials. You can see the cross section of concrete. This is basically a cross section of concrete. You can see this is a aggregates, your fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, various colors are there. Always civil engineers are on the sites, whatever they are saying, anything goes wrong with the concrete, though it is low strength, maybe there is a workability issues, there is a placing issues, everybody is first, about 80% people or 80% engineers, they doubt about quality of cement. But in reality, it is not that true. Yeah, it is true maybe for 1 or 2%, but majority of concrete issues may be related to the other ingredient like your fine aggregate, your coarse aggregate. In aggregate also you can see here, here you can see these are a lot of impurities also available in the aggregate itself, and they are also in nature, they are in reactive. So they may affect your performance in concrete. So we have specified codes and you have to understand those things, and whatever material you are using for making concrete has to be as per the standard specifications. So why I shown this, we rarely see the concrete sections, we see only gray color. But if you see in reality, concrete has got a lot of issues with the aggregate itself. Shape is also one of the major issue. When we are talking about aggregate, we'll go in details about this. Second is issue is your water. We rarely taste the water at site mix concrete, except ready mix concrete. Other site, we rarely use that, and water may have a lot of issues because water also they are given a specific requirement IS 456 2000. What is the water to be used in construction? So local water may be having problem. Like right now we are in Mumbai, wherever we are very near to the sea. Maybe some of the water will have lot of salts, and that salt if it goes into the concrete, then definitely there is a lot of issue of durability of the concrete. This is also a photomicrograph of hydrated cement paste of concrete about M40 grade. Means concrete also can be seen under microscope to understand there any defects are there in the concrete. You can see here right side there is a aggregate, and this is your product of hydrated product of cement. These are all needles. In this you can also see some black spots. See here, even at here at the aggregate paste and this binding, there is a lot of voids. Though it has developed a good strength, but definitely there is a issue of durability. Now these black spots are basically voids, and these voids are allow any deleterious material through the concrete and attack on your reinforcement. Then your corrosion starts. So you have to make concrete such a way that these voids also should not be there. So how to go about that, we will discuss in subsequent lectures. Go through the concept levels and see how to improve the use scope only in the concrete. Understanding concrete is very, very important than only merely making or whatever received concrete and place the concrete. But you have to understand how it will behave in the structures, not only the cubes, because most of the contractors, they are happy once they get the compressive strength on the cubes. But now the way cement quality is available with in the country and the admixture quality, we are easily able to achieve the compressive strength. But durability is the major issue for concrete that needs to understand. Now you can see some of the high strength concrete used in high rise building all over the world. You can see the top red line. This is the compressive strength they use, 82 130. Now this is old slide. Now it has reached to maybe 150 MPa also some of the projects. Even in Mumbai also, one of the projects, small quantity, they are used 200 MPa strength for the particular application. So it is possible to have a very high strength and utilize that strength to reduce the cross section areas of your structure. As you know, in Mumbai we have problem of area. Such location, definitely we can reduce the size of your structural columns and get more floor space area for the same building, going for M40 to M80. This is the basically concept. So this also we can design accordingly as per our requirements. In Mumbai also now this scenario is coming up. You can see this Burj Dubai, till today is the tallest building in the world. Now another few towers are incoming, maybe within this year or next year it will come. This is right now tallest building in the high performance concrete JJ flyover M75 concrete. This is, everybody must have seen this M75 grade concrete. We have done in 1998 to 2000. Gammon India was the contractor and ACC was the concrete supplier. Like they have put up a RMC plant for Gammons to supply the concrete for this particular project. And those know the how this this flyover moving in that Bindi Bazaar and that area, very congested area. This they are able to make a good project out of that. These are basically a precast segments cast at the Wadala site. Only piers are in situ. And in this typical project, piers of height about 8.5 meters cast in one go, M75 grade. You can see, anybody is interested, they can go and see the project. It's very good come out on this. And all your precast element cast there and then transported to the site and it is joined. It has got number of curves in this particular project, you can see. So it is high performance concrete, and that time everybody, even that particular 1998, 96, 97, 98, we are only talking about the strength. But this particular project has introduced a lot of durability tests like RCPT, rapid chloride penetration test, water permeability. That time code were not there, IS code were not there. Now it has introduced. Water permeability was there, then ISAT was there, initial surface absorption test was introduced in this particular project, and they've done the excellent job for this. So though Gammon was the contractor, they are working for industry for more than 50 years. But when the high performance concrete came, they said this is not their cup of tea. So they are given whole assignment of making concrete, designing concrete to ACC. So we took up this challenge. Hardly around 20,000 cubic meter concrete was there. But there's a major requirement was there. So we could able to do the good concrete on this. Then this you also knows, Worli Bandra Ceiling project is also high performance concrete, high volume concrete. It is a heart of in the sea itself. So life of more than 100, 120 years. So there also they are specified various tests to get the proper life of the structures. This is also very interesting. These all details are available. You can go through that. You'll understand what is the quality of concrete they have produced. Concrete grade was not higher. A maximum grade was M60 here and M40, but it is within the sea. So they have used high volume fly ash concrete also. Now see today's Mumbai skyline. You can see earlier it is all around 10 or 12 story building. Now it is coming around 30, 40, 50 story building. This recently I taken these photographs from Worli Bantasi Lake. This you can see here our TV tower is around 300 meters height, 310 I think. And then you can see the compare the height of the buildings coming up. Now such around more than 100 projects are coming up in Mumbai, wherever the mill was there. So they are coming. So huge requirement of high performance concrete is coming in future now.